In this short video, I'll show how to create a simple web application with ObjectHub. First, we open the browser, select the Add Object button, and then we select the Micro App Object template. We provide the name Hello World. Click Apply. And now we have a new Micro App Object. Micro App Objects allow us to define user interface using plain old HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. First, I'll define the HTML, where I just put a span element. Next, in the JavaScript, I can now interact with this HTML using jQuery. So I want to access a span element, and I provide a special additional parameter here called element, which will help ObjectHub to know that we are speaking about this particular span element here, which is part of our micro app, and not some other span element that might be on the page. Just set its content to Hello World. Finally, we go into the CSS. Again, I access a span. Just make the font a little bit bigger. And now we can preview the application we have developed. Finally, we can deploy a production-ready version of our micro app. For this, we go to Deploy, Enable Deployment, and now ObjectHub will package this app and all its dependencies into a version. Here it has created version 1, which is also the current production version. And we can access it simply by using a link, which you can see here. And here is our simple app that we have developed. So that's it for developing a simple web application. Here in the HTML, we can add dependencies and thereby embed other micro app objects within our own application. Or in the JavaScript tab, we can add micro library objects that help in the logic of our micro app. Finally, for a complete reference of what you can do with micro apps, just click the Help button over here, which will bring you to the micro app documentation, which explains everything about the HTML, the CSS, and the JavaScript, including the small API we provide for working with micro apps. Thank you.